winning candidate for mayor. May 12, 2025, national, local, and parliamentary elections. May 12, 2025. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 363 clustered precincts for the candidates therein for mayor in the elections on May 12, 5. That's heard to and forming part of is a statement of votes garnered by each candidate for the office of mayor. After such canvass, it appears that Teodoro Maan garnered 142,800. The above named winning candidate as the duly elected mayor of NCR City of Marikina, Province of National Capital Region, 2nd District. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Marikina, Province of National Capital Region, 2nd District. This May 13, 2025, 11:13 and 53 seconds a.m.